In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove styles from a table. In the last video, I showed you how to create tables in your spreadsheet using what's called quick styles. So let's go over to our spreadsheet. And in the last video, we applied a table style, which we have banded rows. It added our sort and filter buttons. We also applied bold to our last column. And so now we're going to take that formatting away. So on our August sales spreadsheet, so just click anywhere in the table. Let's go to the Design tab. So we have a Table Tools Design tab. When we apply a style or a table, we now have a Table Tools Design tab. So in the Table Styles group, so over here, we have a More button, which is this little pull-down menu beside our gallery. It shows our entire gallery to us. And it also has some selections down here at the bottom. So in the menu, we're going to click the Clear button. So just click Clear. And if you notice, the banding went away, the bolding went away. So let's go back to our More button. Maybe we want a different style. So we're going to choose, this time we're going to choose Table Style Light 17. So Light, Table Style Light 17, which is this one here. It's kind of orange and white. I really do not like this, but that's what our textbook tells us to do. So if you're in my class, this is the one you're expected to use. If you're not in my class, you can do whatever you want. And to automatically apply the boldface to the rightmost column, we're going to click on, or make sure that the last column check mark is in the box. And if you notice, this is more bold than the rest. We can also turn on first column if we want to, but let's not do that. So you can click around on these and see what the options are for your style. And that's how you clear the styling. And after you clear the styling, you can apply whatever style you want.